Okay, so the brand new season of Fortnite has just come out, and instead of jumping right in and playing like any normal player would, I instead searched through all the brand new cosmetics and found my favorite one, and now that's what I'm going to build for you today. So this is going to be me making the Reliant blades from Fortnite Chapter 2, Season 3. Okay, so I've just printed out this reference image that I'm going to use in my template. So let's cut this all out and then we can start tracing it into our foam. Okay, so I cut out a ton of weird pieces that all have to glue together very specifically, so let's go outside and figure that all out. Okay, so it looks pretty good, but to be honest, it also kind of looks disgusting. So let's use our Dremel to kind of clean it all up. Okay, so we cleaned it up real nice, sanded the edge of the blade, and gave it some sweet scars. So now let's work on the cross guard and the handle. Okay, well, unless I am wrong, I believe we are kind of approaching the final gluing stages. There's the last couple pieces, like this little detail to glue in, and then kind of the glue on the handle, and then I believe those will kind of be the last steps, and then we'll be all set for painting. Okay, so I've run into somewhat of a problem. I attached the handle to the rest of the blade, and it was kind of flopsy. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to drill a little hole down there into this kind of plastic stuff I use for the handle, and then drill a little hole just a little bit into here and put a coat hanger wire kind of thing in there, and maybe that'll help it be a little bit more stable when you're holding it by the handle.
Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just sneak in slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know.
Okay, much better. Still a little bit wobbly, but it is strong through here up until this point. So the connection here is very sturdy. So that's perfect. That's just what I want. And now this means it's time to start painting this thing.
Harder, have no mercy on me. Tell me louder if you're loving me.
Okay, so we'll start out with a dark gray base coat, and then we'll do the silver and red.
Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
Using some silver and different amounts of black, I'm going to mix up a dark silver for here and a light silver for here.
Something about you, you know people, yeah, they lie, they all around you, and they know about what you did in the steeple of your heart, yeah. They know, moving quick, you gotta, hey. We know, yeah, we're sick of all the fake people. Yeah, I'm sick of all the fake people. Yeah, I'm sick of.
Okay, so it looks really good, but honestly, a little too good. So I think let's do some weathering. So there it is, we have made the Reliant blade from Fortnite. I really love how much the red pops because everything else is like silvers and grays. So I think that part is really, really cool. If you'd like to make this yourself, you can go down into the description and you can download these templates. Now, I've said on here, do not use these as your actual templates. These are showing all the different pieces and all the thicknesses, but really you should cut out all the pieces from my full scale reference image, which I'll also leave below. That way it'll just be more accurate than me cutting it out and then tracing it multiple times. You might lose a little bit of accuracy and definition, so I'd recommend cutting out directly from the reference image. I'll leave in the description. If you do end up making this, then please do tell me in the comments, and I'd love to know how it went. Okay, so I think that's just about it, so make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.